Hi, I'm Nathan Ritchey. I'm a co-author of the Lyle Greenwell Ritchey series of applied mathematics. I'm also a professor and department chair of mathematics and statistics at Youngstown State University. We try to, in each edition, add data or examples of activities that are going on in our lives that we're wondering about. For example, wind energy. We're seeing a lot in the headlines about wind energy, and how fast is that growing? Is it working? So we pick a topic like that and then investigate it to the place where we can put items like that into our book. Although we include a lot of fun applications and exercises, we also include applications that directly relate to the student's career goals, from the business examples and exercises to the medical examples to political and social types of data that we incorporate, that we hope that every student, regardless of their major, will find an answer to that age-old question, where are we going to use this? I think that our series is at the appropriate level for applied math students. And it's appropriate, but yet we have a wide range of applications and exercises, from very easy to some fairly difficult exercises. Not only do our exercises find the answer, the answer is 7.025, but maybe more importantly, we have students investigating what that means. We've tried to develop a series that would use technology as much or as little as an instructor wants. We believe that technology can be used to really enhance a class. I know my department is clearly divided on how much technology to use in these courses. Well, this textbook accommodates that situation. New for these editions, we've added a prerequisite skills diagnostics test. We hope that perhaps on the first day of class or prior to the first day of class, that an instructor might ask the students to answer some questions and to sort of give the student and the instructor some information about where the student is and in fact where the class is. I find it helpful to know if, say, 30% of my students don't know a particular topic. That might be something that I can start the class off with, fix that issue right away, and move on. The trend that I have noticed, at least at my own institution, is that our classes aren't getting smaller, that more and more students are being placed in a classroom, and I think most of us believe that homework is an essential function to success in a course, and feedback on homework is also essential. Prior to using my math lab, that meant that I was grading or trying to grade all of the homework that I was assigning. I think that doesn't work well, because you end up maybe just making a check here or there on something and not maybe giving enough feedback to the students. Now with my math lab, the student can get immediate feedback on all of the problems that they're working on. I also, as an instructor, get feedback on who's using my math lab, what types of things they're doing on it, how long they're staying on it. If a student comes in, for example, and says they're having trouble, I help them, but I can also say, there are videos, there are help, there's even a telephone number that you can call when I'm not available. My wife is also a mathematician, and she's, I would say, sort of a classic mathematician, that, the paper pencil, no calculators kind of person, and I asked her to try it. And at first she was a little bit hesitant, and I recall one night her calling me over to say, look at this, look what my math lab will do. And right after that is when she started showing me the comments from the students saying, my math lab is great, it's really helped me, I've never been successful in a course before, but now I am. She was maybe a better test case for me than even myself.